Visualize the complete picture of the risks and prospects of your situation using the SpiceLogic Decision Tree software. It does lots of analysis for you based on the data you provide. For any node in a decision tree, you can mouse over and see a tooltip with lots of metrics. Also, notice that the expected value metric is shown on every node for a quick understanding of what's going on for each node. You can choose to hide these metrics for all nodes if that looks noisy. You can choose to show the total payoff metric or expected value on all nodes. If you want to show or hide metrics for a specific node rather than all nodes, you can do that too. Just select a node, and from the context menu of the selected node, you will find options for showing or hiding metrics. In addition, you can get a complete risk profile for that node by expanding the Node Analysis tab. If you expand the Options Analyzer tab, you will see you could choose lots of metrics to display in the chart and the metric table. The metrics are made available based on the decision context. For example, if a decision tree does not contain any uncertainty, then uncertainty or risk-related metrics will not be visible in the metric selection panel. Let's explore some of the metrics. The expected value is the probability-weighted average of all possible outcomes or utility values of an option. The most likelihood value is the value that has the highest probability to occur. A standard deviation is a measure that indicates, on average, how the outcome values are a part of the average value of all outcomes. Maximum regret is the metric that indicates, if you choose an option, at maximum, how much you can regret by not choosing other options. Here, we see a risk index named Baumel's Risk Index, proposed by William Baumel. Now, let's explore the metric named entropy. When you watch a movie, if you can predict the sequence of events, then you do not feel any suspense and eventually do not enjoy the movie, right? How do you measure the suspense of a movie? You will say, the less you can predict, the more suspense you will feel, right? That is the idea of entropy. Entropy is a metric that measures how less you can predict from random variable outcomes. Probability measures how likely one uncertain state can occur, and entropy measures the degree of uncertainties in a random variable or outcomes of an option. Value at risk, expressed as VAR, is a standard risk index used by practitioners and in particular by financial institutions. It is defined as the maximum dollar amount expected to be lost at a predefined confidence level. A range chart shows the minimum possible value and the maximum possible value of an option as a range. Looking at the range chart, a decision maker can quickly understand the risks and expectations, and then he or she can choose an option based on Maximin-Leximin criterion. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach our help desk. Thank you for watching.